Well, here we are back at the same scale again. Different car this time. This time we're going to find out how much the Milano weighs. As you know, if you've been watching my videos, this is an 89 Alfa Milano with the 3-liter engine. It's the Milano Verde or green model. Substantial modifications done to this car, as well as lots of sound deadening and stuff added, you know, on the floorboards and stuff like that. Insulation, a lot of insulation throughout the doors, stuff like that. It's got an upgraded air conditioning, added oil cooler. Suspension pieces are bigger, like it's got larger torsion bars and sway bars, so those ought to add a little bit of weight to the car overall. So yeah, let's just find out how much this thing weighs. Oh, it's got about that much gas in it as well, so let's go right onto the scale. Alright, we got the front wheels. There we go. That's 790. Let's see, let's go back out. And the whole car, 1,480. And the back wheels, 700 even. Keeping in mind that I weigh about 90 kilos or so, or thereabouts. Well, that's what she weighs. It's a bit of a heavy beast compared to what it probably originally weighed, but it's a lot more comfortable and a lot more refined. So yeah, off to the next car.